If you are launching a new product and you want to share this exciting news with all your customers, you can certainly create a newsletter on GetResponse, and you'll be able to send out an email across all your customer base, and that is what we call email marketing. Now in today's video, I want to take you guys through how you can take advantage of what we call email marketing using a platform called GetResponse. So practically, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. We're going to log on to GetResponse. If you don't have login details as yet, you'll definitely need to sign up first. Once you sign up, you'll be required to verify your email. So I'll go to my email address to see if they've sent through the verification code. Once you receive the verification code, you can certainly log into your account. Click on submit. Now you can see you are logged on to GetResponse. The first thing that you are seeing is contacts, then email marketing, and then reports. So what you want to do, you want to add a few contacts. I'm just going to click on create list, and I'm going to say clients, and then I'm going to click on create. So what you want to do, you want to add contacts to the list. Now, I don't manually go and add contacts to the list because certainly I'm sure if you are running a business, you have a list of all your clients or somewhere, even if it's on your cell phone. So you want to export your contacts from your cell phone and then convert it to an Excel format that you can certainly export onto GetResponse. I'm certainly just going to give you an example. I'm going to create a list of about 5 emails. Alright, so I've created a list of my emails. Certainly your list is going to be much longer and you don't manually want to do this. What you want to do is export your contacts with their email addresses from your phone. Depending on the type of phone that you are using, if you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't really matter. All phones do give you the capability to export contacts into a specific format, and certainly you can just import that same file onto GetResponse, so then you don't manually have to type in the email addresses. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to save my file. So I'm going to click on upload the file, and then I'm going to just go on my desktop, look for my file, clients, and I'm just going to drag it into GetResponse. So as you can see, it's giving you a tick here, meaning your file is 100%. Now, if you're not sure about your format, you can always just click on learn how to format your file so that you have an understanding on how you need to populate the file, especially if you're adding additional information like contacts. It's very important that you follow the file format. Otherwise, they are going to reject your file and you won't be able to upload it onto GetResponse. So you can just go through. We're not going to do this now because I think my file is fine. So what I want to do, I'm just going to say add and update existing, and I'm going to click on I have permission to add these people to the list. Now, you don't want to be communicating with customers if you don't have permission to communicate to them. So just make sure that you have that permission first before you can, send them emails. So you can certainly click on I have permission, and then you can click on next. It says you are ready to import contacts, and then you get a list of all your email addresses. So you can just click on import, and all your email addresses are going to be imported onto GetResponse. And certainly you can communicate to this group of clients in one go without having to send them an email one by one. So this certainly works if you have, thousands of clients. You don't necessarily have to go and email each one of them. You can create a list on GetResponse. So now that we have created our contacts, we want to create message. And certainly we are going to click on email marketing, and then we are going to create a newsletter. You can either use an AI email generator. Now this is new. You need to be on a premium account to be able to do this. Or you can click on, you want to create an email by myself. What I'm going to do, you want to give your newsletter a message. So what I'm going to say, iPhone 15 now selling. That's our title, and you can put in a message line. You can just put in, anything that makes sense. The long-awaited iPhone 15 is now selling. And what you want to do here, you want to add your contact details. So I'm going to select clients. That is the list that we currently created, and I'm going to click on add. What that is going to do, it's going to add all the email addresses of all the clients that I want to communicate to. And you can segment this if you want as well. So now here is the exciting part. You can, design the message. What GetResponse does, it gives you the platform with templates that you can select from. And you can certainly use those templates to send out a newsletter. You want to just choose any template that makes sense, and you want to click on use the template. This is how the template looks like. So as you can see, you can just customize it based on your company logo, company information. Now I've already loaded, some logos onto the platform. So I'm going to use my company logo, Online Creatives, and I'm going to leave Black Friday there. And then I'm just going to edit some of the fields. Just say iPhone 15 new. Maybe give it a bit of a description here. Get an iPhone 15 now, something like this. And certainly you also want to change this image, so you can just click on it and then replace the image. You can go on the internet and just look for images that really make sense. So you can go on iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can go on images, and then you can just use any of these nice images that look really nice. So I'm just gonna save this one to desktop, and then I go back to email marketing. I certainly want to upload this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add files, and I'm going to just go to my desktop and then look for the file. I'm going to drag it. I can change this to exciting features. iPhone 15. So I can just certainly go on the internet and then look for features. I'm going to click on all. I'm going to click on technical specifications. I just want to add some content to, so certainly I can copy this. And then I'm going to just paste it in here. Maybe I don't need all of it, just add what I need. And I can certainly say you can save $100 and iPhone is currently selling for I'm gonna make this in Namibian dollars. So currently selling for 40,000. You can certainly save 7,000. I think this looks about right. What I want to do, I want to just get rid of this. I don't need the last part. Just going to delete it, and then I have these two. I think it looks amazing. So what I want to do, I want to just click on save as my template, marketing. So I'm going to create. and then I'm going to click on next. Now, as you can see, this is how our newsletter looks like. Everything looks in order. So what I want to do is I want to send this message to all my clients, and then we are done. So now we are going to see if we are going to be receiving that newsletter on our email. So I'm going to just log on to my emails, and then I'm going to wait and see if I'm going to get the newsletter. All right, so as you can see, you have received the email into your mailbox, and so should your clients. So if you click on it, here's your newsletter. Black Friday, get an iPhone 15, and it looks awesome. All right, so if you have new products or you are launching new products and you really just want to share this information with all your clientele base, you can use email marketing. It's simple. All you need to do is click on this video, and then it's gonna take you to GetResponse, and you can create an account on GetResponse. I hope this was helpful, especially for the small business owners. That is the end of our video. Thank you so much for dialing in.